Hey guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay and welcome to today's video. I am going to be creating an eyeshadow look. Well, not this is my entire face. I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the brand new-ish Juvia's Place mini palette. This one is the Violets. In this particular collection, Juvia's Place released 4 different eyeshadow palettes and I've already done a full swatch video swatching every single one of those palettes in the entire collection. If you do want to see that video, I'm going to leave it linked up here and in the description box down below. I did an in-depth swatch and review of each one of these eyeshadows. So today's video is simply going to be me creating this eyeshadow look using the Violets palette in the collection. When I did the swatch video, I did mention that the mattes in this palette were quite patchy, but upon applying it to my actual eyes today, I found that they were quite easy to work with and blend. They weren't as patchy as I was expecting them to be. They swatched patchy, but they blended in quite beautifully. They did take a little bit of blending up in my crease, as you might see later on in the video. But as far as matte purples go in a practical type of application, they did blend in quite nicely. Now, I was using all Morphe brushes for my eyes today, so that might be part of the thing. Like, these brushes are really nice and they work really well. But just be aware of that. These are not the worst matte purples that I have ever used before on my eyes. I have definitely found worse. In one of my previous videos, actually, I swatched every single purple eyeshadow in my entire collection. When I did that video, I did not yet own this particular palette. But if you want to see that video, I'm going to leave it linked up here and in the description box if you guys want to see that video and you can see which best purple eyeshadows I found in my entire collection. But also remember, keep in mind that swatches, like I discovered with this palette, swatches don't really give a proper and full indication of how that shadow is going to apply on your eyes. So take swatches with a grain of salt. As you will see in this video, these matte purples applied really beautifully. I didn't have any trouble with them adhering to my eyes at all, and I was very impressed with the overall quality of applying these eyeshadows on my eye. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. But before you do, if you are not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I put a new video out every single Sunday. The videos that I create are about makeup tutorials, product reviews, try-on hauls, a few vlogs here and there, and a bit of lifestyle advice as well. So if that sounds something that's kind of up your alley, then just hit that subscribe button and you can follow along on my social media as well. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all of them are Life as Kikay. Anyway, I'm gonna get on with this video. Thank you guys so much for being here, and yeah, let's get into it. thank you so much for watching. I actually really enjoyed using this palette today. I didn't think that I would have a lot of fun with the purples because my experience with purples hasn't always been a very positive one, but I actually was pleasantly surprised by the purples in this palette. The two mattes blended very, very nicely. The shimmers applied very nicely. I kind of wish that I hadn't initially applied this shimmer in the center of my crease because it kind of darkened the halo a bit more than I would have liked. But that's okay. I do love the shade, but I wish that I had maybe initially applied that to begin with because I wanted a bit more brighter pop of halo in the center of my eyes and darker on the outer corners. But either way, the look is done now. I really enjoy using this palette. If you guys are interested in checking it out, then I will leave a link in the description box down below where you can find this palette and the other 3 palettes in this collection of 4 monochromatic palettes from Juvia's place. So that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!